Hello everyone! If you click this link, that means you're just as concerned as I am. But before I get started on that subject, I just want to point out some other things real fast. First off, Windows 10 is really fast. I want to thank Microsoft for that. I do like the Windows 10 interface. It is fast, it's fluid, it's beautiful, it boots up faster, it just runs better than any Windows ever before. There is a catch. If you do get the free update, or if you get Windows 10 at all, there is a catch. Microsoft has stated in their privacy that they are, in fact, right now, basically keeping track of everything you do on your computer, because Cortana now personalizes itself to fit your needs, because it's your own personal little assistant. It's part of Windows 10. And there is some huge debate over privacy right now. Basically, because they implemented Cortana into Windows 10, your own personal assistant, all of your information goes to Microsoft servers. And if you don't mind that Microsoft has your information, then whatever. But there's always the belief that they could be selling your information to a highest bidder or to another third party. And I've heard people say up and down their websites that in the end, you are the product. And that is sad and manipulative, and we should keep an eye on that. If people who have pirated software or any of that stuff, that's what they're cracking down on. I don't think that they're directly looking at your files or directly looking at your personal stuff unless they absolutely have to. They even tell you in the agreement that they will only access your computer if they absolutely have to, and they have a reason. To, and then they'll send the local authorities to your house, and you'll get in trouble for whatever little thing you've done that is illegal. Other than that, that's the trade-off with 10. Is basically your information is tracked by Microsoft Edge. Every little thing that you do in Microsoft Edge is basically tracked. So yeah, there's that. But now that I've said that, now that I've made you guys aware of that, and you guys should be aware of that, that is a pretty big deal. The other thing that I've been really wanting to address in this video is, apparently, Microsoft has released a Windows 10 version of Minecraft. Now, that does not sound like a really big deal at first, but let me explain something to you. They released a Windows 10 version of Minecraft, which is essentially the upscaled version of the mobile Minecraft, which is supposed to have all the features of the actual Minecraft on computer, but it's making things a lot more difficult for modders and programmers. Well, mostly modders for this Minecraft game. And they are offering it much cheaper than the actual Minecraft game from the website. What this means? What does this mean? Why would a cheaper Minecraft be a bad thing? Because they are essentially trying to slow down or stop modding altogether for the Minecraft game. And when the Windows 10 version of Minecraft is running C++ graphics, while the one that we use on computers all the time, the ones that the Minecraft gamers are using Java. And Java supposedly is dying, which I don't know why. I don't know. Some developers are saying that it's just dying. It's just ending. They want to stop Java. And I don't know why, except maybe Microsoft is trying to control modders and software developers. And that's a big deal, because if they start to control the keeping people who mod out of Minecraft, then they can start to slow down or stop indie development, period. Now this is where it becomes a big deal. This is just a theory. You guys can take it or leave it, say whatever you want. But in my opinion, indie developers, I'm talking to you guys now. Indie developers, as far as I can tell, Microsoft is either trying to slow down or stop indie game development, period. Trying to stop, essentially, trying to stop people from making games for each other. I could be wrong. Microsoft might actually make things better, which they did for when they bought the rights for Minecraft. They did make it better. They continued supporting it on all platforms, including Linux, which is a really big deal still. And Microsoft kept supporting it, kept adding new features, kept making it even better. But now it looks like they're gonna start taking away after giving everyone so much. And it's a control thing. It always comes down to a control. Always comes down to control. Now, like I said, I could be wrong, and I hope to God I am. But if I'm not, then this issue needs to be addressed, and it needs to be addressed fast. The word needs to be spread as quickly as possible, and I'm hoping you guys will help me with that. I hope with your guys' help that more and more people will either see this video, or you guys can tell them personally what I've said and share the link down below. More than anything, I really wanted to share this. This is a really big deal, and I really need you guys' help to spread the word about this. Because if it is true that Microsoft is trying to control its users by stopping developers from sharing games with each other on a Windows platform, then it needs to stop, because everybody uses Windows. Any developers will probably be forced to go onto open source browsers, and the mainstream of users that are not developers, that just that play games, these people, they don't know everything that Microsoft is trying to do, and neither do we. But we get an idea of we get a general idea of what they're trying to push on us. I support anyone that wants to make anything for anyone else in this world, as far as it is software, as long as it is legal and it's moral, and people should be allowed to do it. But if companies are trying to control you, they're trying to stop you because they see you. I'm talking again to you guys, the developers. They see you as a threat. That's just my opinion. They see you as a threat, as a possible threat to their company. And they could add you as I think it would be better for Microsoft if they just started partnering with all their indie developers. And it seemed to be the case for quite a while, that it seems to be right now that Microsoft makes partners of really good developers. But there are so many websites like GameJolt and the list goes on, of indie developers that just make games. And then they either either they go to Steam or they go to Microsoft. Chances are they mostly go to Steam if their games are really successful, and Steam greenlights it, and they make quite a bit of money. So essentially, Microsoft is seeing the developer as the competition now. It used to be Steam versus, Steam used to work with Microsoft, and Steam is essentially it's gaming on PC. But Microsoft is trying to control things, and Steam is still like Apple, is a competitor, because Steam is software. Steam can be used as software on a computer, of course, and just like iTunes can be used as software on a Windows computer, of course, because Microsoft is obligated by some contract, I'm sure of it, to create software for said computer. But Steam is branching out to Linux, and Steam is branching out everywhere, and now they're seeing Steam as they've seen Steam as a serious competitor. But now they're trying to cut out the middleman and go straight for the This is my opinion again. They're going straight for the developer, and that's what I have a huge problem with. I support a world where we can create games for each other. Let the AAA games be where they're at, but let people continue to make games for one another. And if they want to do it for free, then God bless them. God bless you guys for making games free, okay? Thank you guys for making those games free. And if you guys want to later on sell that game as a better product and make it really affordable on Steam, then I support that too. You're trying to make a business. I understand that. But in my opinion, Microsoft is seeing you as competition, and that makes you a threat to them. That's just my opinion. As far as I know, Apple is supporting developers right now, and of course Linux is. So this is pretty crazy. This is insane. I thought Microsoft was making a change, and they were dumping they lost billions because of the Xbox One. But now it seems to me that they're just trying to find another way of control, just to get their money back, instead of trying to earn their people. And they're making it look like they're earning their people's respect. They're making it look like, oh, here's Windows 10, a perfect and wonderful operating system you will thoroughly enjoy. We are sorry, and we're also going to let the Xbox One stream to your computer. How about that? But now it seems like, oh, by the way, Windows 10 is going to spy on everything you do. And also, yeah, Windows 10 is going to spy on everything you do. We're going to control Minecraft. We're going to stop modders because we want to. And who knows, from there we might actually stop the indie developers so that no one competes with us because we're fucking Microsoft. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. This was a personal this is something really personal to me. I really hope that this isn't the case and that I'm wrong, that I'm absolutely wrong. But if I'm right, we need to be aware of it like ASAP, like right now. So spread the word is all I'm asking you guys to do. Please just spread the word. Please tell your friends if you can. Just share the link that I'm going to share down below. It doesn't mean that they're directly attacking indie development yet, but they're trying to. They're keeping modders out of the Windows 10 Minecraft right now, I think, because C++ is harder to mod than Java. These are just my opinions. I could be wrong, and I hope that I am. Again. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys take care. Bye-bye.